Welcome back, everyone. Was just heading out to the chicken run. I was helping the chickens get cleaned up a little bit, feeding, watering, etc. They're enjoying a nice warm day. It's 0 degrees here today. So while I was helping the chickens out, getting them taken care of here, doing the normal chores, I came out and dug out our entire cold frame because I wanted to check on it. It had been buried in snow. I haven't popped this open for about 2 weeks here. We seem to open this in about 2-week intervals because I really don't check on it a whole lot. We've had snow almost every single day and ice, and I finally dug this out. So what I want to do is take some temperatures from inside. So like I was saying, we have had absolutely everything winter can throw at us. The last couple weeks it has not reached above 0. Today is actually 0 degrees on the dot. So what I wanted to do is come out to this little cold frame heated by our compost and check the temperature inside there. This pile has probably cooled off by now, but the thermal mass of it being sunken into the ground and surrounded by that pile has insulated it that much more throughout the entire winter here. Without further ado, so we are sitting about 43 degrees inside here. So that's 43 degrees inside the cold frame on the dirt. It is 0 degrees outside. So the reason I wanted to share what the temperatures are inside here is because this experiment has been so successful that we are going to recreate it on a larger scale, basically combining our greenhouse and this cold frame, both of our cold weather experiments, into one to create a sunken greenhouse next spring. We have learned so much from growing through the winter here just by passively growing. We do not check on this. We do not water this. The most I'll do is clear it off of snow and come out and harvest every once in a while. So this experiment has been so successful that I thought I would share it over and over throughout the stages of winter. We just had the worst of what winter can offer us. We had negative temperatures for weeks and weeks, and it's still negative out here. We've got about another week before the warm weather sets back in, warm weather being above 0 for us. So very soon, all of this will start to take off. We are achieving growth, not just keeping this stuff alive. All of these little radishes in here are growing. All of this lettuce is growing. Our leeks are growing. Everything in here is steadily growing. It is bigger than it was 2 weeks ago when I checked on it, albeit it might not be that much growth. This tells me I'm on to something. So I'm gonna scale this up for next winter and I will be ready to grow lots of food, because this little 2x3 foot cold frame does not have a whole lot of space in here, but we are able to achieve good growth and densely packing it all together. So on a larger scale, we could feed our family all winter with this system right here.